Hi everyone, we are from Group 9 and this video is recorded for the subject Animal Feed and Processing Technology. In this video, we are going to talk about ribbon blender. The ribbon blender used for mixing dry granules and powder homogeneously. It mainly used for solid or liquid mixture that can be achieved when the high shearing force is not desired. The main application of the ribbon blender is mixing grain powder with other nutrients. It is made of shell with a U shape that is rotating an agitator that is designed as a double helical ribbon. These machines are very suited for feed mixture to make aquaculture, poultry and fish pellets. They can be used in different industries such as chemical products, compound fertilizers, additive, health and care products.
So, for the mechanisms of the ribbon blender, the inner and the outer ribbons together rotate the mass of the materials. The outer ribbon moves the materials or solids toward the center of the dough and the inner ribbon moves the materials toward the ends. The minimum loading is about 40% of the maximum, which is required to keep both the inner and outer ribbon in the product zone. So, lesser ribbon blender loading will allow proportionately faster mixing.
There are 5 ways the ribbon blender can improve feed processing system. Firstly, by the design itself. The bidirectional ribbon rotor provides gentle mixing without any segregation. More vertices can be formed during the material flow, thus accelerating the mixing speed and improving the mixing uniformity. The blade design reflecting its speed by perforation position and total area of the blade. Ribbon blender also have short mixing time per batch due to the large discharging door area, fast material discharging and less residue. Multiple spraying atomizer can be equipped to add various liquid based on the feed formula. It also easy and convenient to maintain. Lastly, ribbon blender is adapted to continuous processing, which is suitable for large feed production.
Ribbon blender design is very efficient and cost-effective to get the food component well mixed. Blender play a critical role to blending the multiple ingredients in high volume or small volume by properly mixing to create a consistency. It also saves time in making the ingredient completely well mixed in high consistency. The better mixing can be obtained with higher rotation speed and longer mixing time. The small feed particle size also can be achieved and require homogeneity in short period of time. By using the ribbon blender, the nutrition can be mixed well and the ingredient can be blended in great homogeneity and small particles. The main objective for using the blender to ensure the animal receive all of its formulated nutrient elements.
In conclusion, ribbon blender could help mix all the ingredients well and blend it in excellent homogeneity and small particles. By using this machine, the process of making feed pellets could also be improved to make good quality feed pellets for animal consumption. So that's all from us and thank you for watching.